Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Boys, it's been a while since I've gotten to ride because I actually got sick 2 weeks in a row. So I've been out for about a month. So it's been a long time since I've been on the bike. So don't expect anything crazy today. You guys have probably seen this track in my videos before. However, they switched up the track. They made it go backwards now for some reason, and now it kind of sucks. Not gonna lie, they completely switched it up. But they've done this before. They switched it up probably last year, and it eventually got better. But right now it's pretty bad, not gonna lie. But this is my first lap out. Charlie told me it was bad, so I mean it could be good. Who knows? Oh, dude, I feel so sketch right now. I don't know what that is. Oh. Dude, I don't know what this is. From everything I've seen, everybody was getting really sketch on these. Yeah, dude, you have to go so fast to clear those. It just makes no sense. Boys, I'm not gonna lie. Still getting over sickness, so I'm super tired already. I'm trying to work on my form today, boys, because I'm just gonna have to take it slow because I am exhausted from being sick. This should be the first riding video since I got my graphics on. They look cool, I guess. I don't know. I guess it's a matter of opinion. Dude, I don't know what, like, this track's not good, dude. I'm not gonna lie. This is not very fun. I'm gonna have to find a better line because I think I can make some of these jumps, but it's all like kickers going up the face. I'm kind of butthurt, not gonna lie. First ride back and the track's terrible. I mean, I don't know, I'm a C-class rider, so these guys are probably having fun, but I'm not. It's not fun to me. I want to see where this guy's going. This guy's ripping, dude. I want to see where it's like. He's going inside. Maybe the inside's better. Let's see. Oh, so much better. Alright, so inside's way better on that finish line. I'm gonna try and hit it again. Oh, I stalled. I stall the bike whenever I stop, dude. It's never when I like start. I'm just dumb. Dude, I'm already wore out, man. It's not even arm pump this time, which is a funny thing. I'm trying a new technique for my arm pump and it's working pretty good, but I'm just wore out physically. Like usually I'm not really like tired. I'm just like my arm pump, I can't hang on. But today, dude, I'm just tired. Like, but anyways, I'm gonna stop complaining and ride. And that kid's fast. I want to hit that double, but it's sketch. It's probably almost easier on the little bikes, honestly. Whipped. I'm gonna try it inside one more time. I think I might need to lower my tire pressure too, because like it's real dry and slick and it's feeling really slidey. So probably gonna lower the front and the rear a little bit. I think I have it a little high too. But yeah, I'm about to go in and take a break after I hit this finish line again, because dude, it's wearing me out, man. I know I'm out of shape, but I've never been this out of breath. I just got screwed the past month of getting sick, so still kind of getting back my energy. So I guess today I'm gonna work on corners and going faster on straightaways and stuff like that rather than hitting jumps, you know, because there's not really any jumps for me to hit. I'm a goon, dude. That guy is good form. Thank God they're turning on the sprinklers. Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh! Dude, this track is terrible. This is the worst track I've ever ridden. It's worse than Sand Mountain that one time we went. Alright boys, we're back out here, lowered tire pressure, and they watered the track, so it's a lot better now. Ah, where do I go? They gotta get their track fixed, dude. This is bad. Supposedly the rut here is good, is what Charlie said, but I haven't even been back there because I'm wore out after half a lap. Let's go check it out though. I'm not fast, so I'm just gonna make noises like I'm fast. Dang, dude, that's a far double. And so is this. Definitely doable, but probably not today. any of you guys have tips on like form and how to better control like arm pump, let me know, because I'm doing a lot of research on better ways to ride and trying to keep my elbows up. So you having fun? Me neither. This one? I haven't hit it either because it looks sketch. Should I try it? Alright, if you say so. Let's try it. Full commitment to this one. There's no half-ass in this. Okay, not bad. It wasn't terrible. It's a little kicker, but nothing like too sketch. You can hit it. Oh, he already did? Wow, he's so cool and so fast and so cute. What? What? I didn't say that. I'm trying to find a line on the finish line, but I can't. Well, I thought inside, but it gets inside's bad too. It's all bad. Oh! I like landed on in a hole. We're gonna do some starts. You're gonna be our flag girl. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Uh-oh. Now I dug myself a hole. Get a rock, Mom. There's one right in front of you. All right, here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna throw it up high, like up in the air. When it hits the ground, we're going. Make sure you stop, because you'll be on the track. So make sure you slow down. All right, you ready? You ready? You ready? Seth wheeling. Oh, that was so funny. I think his front tire hit my elbow. Like, I look over and I'm gonna go on this one. You ready? Seth did another wheelie. Did you see Seth? I just want to watch him at this point. Are you gonna do it again? Did I win that one? Did I beat him?
I don't know. I watched Seth.
Did I win or did you win the last one?
Well, I won.
Yeah, I know you did. What? Hey, what are you doing? Why do you keep wheeling?
I'm just so good.
Ride the clutch. Don't pop it. Alright boys, so we just got done doing our little starts of drag races. It was fun. I think I won. It's safe to say I won. But what I just realized was that my GoPro has been on wide this whole time instead of super view. So that means the past however many minutes of footage, I apologize for it being so bad. I like doing starts. Starts are fun to me. Ah! Too fast. Oh! That jump's sketch, dude. That guy's just hitting it on the outside. It looks like he's standing up there. Nice. Oh, we got a little sketch. He just went mudding. Boys, I finally found the line for that finish line jump over there. You just got to swing outside and cut down and hit it straight on. But that tabletop right there is real sketch, dude. The landing's so steep. You can hit it backwards better than you could hit it forwards. Yeah, and I'm not in the mood to try and send it first day back. Nah. like that mischief there. Well, boys, we're going out for our last one of the day. It's been a good day so far. It's probably been the worst vlog ever, but hopefully next time we can go to a good track, or maybe they can figure this track out. But I've just been wore out, man. First time riding back in a long time. My butt hurts from sitting down all day. Maybe I need to stand up. But it's been a good day, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. Nah, I'm too big. You can't. Yeah. I'm whipped, but I want to keep riding because I'm having fun. Oh, this is outside. Whoa! That is. Oh! I did it to him earlier. All right, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video. We're getting a couple video clips for the gram, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't the best, but we finally came out here and got to ride, so I'm hyped. I had a good day. Track was terrible, but didn't let it bring me down. Still had a good time, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.